Here are 25 things that Dave Ramsey has said that people waste money on in his books, teachings, speeches, and public events. One, designer baby clothes. Infants quickly outgrow their clothes. Investing in expensive designer wear for babies can be an unnecessary expense. 2. Expensive coffees. Regularly buying pricey coffee from cafes adds up. Consider brewing coffee at home instead. 3. Trendy clothes. Fashion trends come and go. Instead of buying into every trend, consider investing in timeless, quality pieces. For new cars. Cars depreciate rapidly. Opting for a reliable used car can save you thousands. 5. Luxury apartments. While everyone wants a comfortable living space, renting luxury apartments beyond your means can cripple your finances. 6. High-end makeup. Expensive makeup brands can be a luxury. More affordable brands often offer similar quality at a fraction of the cost. 7. Pre-made meals. Buying pre-made meals can be convenient, but more expensive than cooking at home. 8. High-cost mobile service plans. Many people pay for more data and features than they need. Consider opting for a more affordable plan. 9. Unnecessary tech upgrades. Upgrading to the latest tech gadget is often unnecessary and costly. 10. Expensive vacations. Vacations are essential for relaxation and enjoyment, but should fit your budget. Unlock financial success with personal finance. Subscribe for exclusive money insights, like for a thumbs up on great content, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Join a community that's turning financial dreams into reality. 11. Furniture on credit. Buying furniture on credit can lead to paying more than the item's worth due to interest. 12. Expensive cable packages. With the advent of affordable streaming services, expensive cable packages can often be cut down. 13. Impulsive purchases. Unplanned purchases can lead to financial strain. 14. High-interest credit cards. These cards can increase your debt faster than you anticipate. 15. Unused gym memberships. If you aren't regularly using your gym membership, it's likely a waste of money. 16. Dining out. Frequently, eating out at restaurants is much more expensive than preparing meals at home. 17. Alcohol and cigarettes. Not only do these harm your health, but they also drain your wallet over time. 18. Lottery tickets. Your chances of winning are almost zero. This money could be saved or invested instead. 19. Brand name. Store brands offer similar quality at a lower cost. 20. Paying for convenience. These conveniences add up, whether it's a DoorDash order when you can go get your food or a delivery fee for groceries. 21. Neglecting preventative care. Regular health and dental checkups can help prevent more severe and costly problems down the line. 22. Fast fashion. These clothes are often lower quality and must be replaced more often than durable items. 23. Subscriptions you don't use. Whether it's a magazine or a streaming service, it's a waste if you're not using it. 24. Excessive gifting. While it's nice to give gifts, doing so excessively with expensive gifts can strain your finances. 25. Expensive beauty treatments. While everyone wants to feel pampered, high-end beauty treatments can add up quickly. Opting for more affordable options or DIY treatments can save you money.